Today we're going to be replacing the bottom broken mounting tab on this 2016 Mercedes Benz S-Class headlight. So I'll show you. Here is the So here is the part number for the headlight. Here is the bottom broken mounting tab. Here is the part number for the headlight tab replacement kit. And in this kit, you're going to get 4 new mounts and 8 screws. So we'll kind of walk you through these. So first, we're just going to be replacing this bottom tab. And what you want to do is on here, you can see that one side has an extra lip that the other side doesn't. This extra lip is going to go towards the back of the headlight. So you're just going to put that on there like so. And once it's on there, we're just going to go ahead and take 3 of these Torx screws. These are T20 Torx screws, and we're going to put 1 on one side and 2 on the other. Okay, that's now mounted, and that new tab is securely mounted to this light. So we'll go ahead and flip this over and show you the rest of them. Okay, so if you're going to be fixing this inner tab here, you would just take and align these 2 holes with these 2, and that's just going to slide right on there, and you're going to add your 2 screws here and a 3rd underneath on the bottom. So you'll see that there's a 3rd mounting hole here on the bottom. If this tab is broken, they don't give you any plastic. This just snaps into place. So you can see here, we can just pop this one out, and there's the plastic is still here, but if this is broken off, the kit is not going to allow you to replace that. They're only going to give you the replacement of the plastic piece itself. So take that into account if you need to replace this, that the factory kit is not going to give you this housing bracket. And the final bracket here that they give you is going to just screw on right here if this one were broken and need to be replaced. So there's 2 there's going to be 2 screw holes right here that you can slide this on and mount it to. And as you can see, the replacement one that it comes with is gray instead of black, so it is not going to match like the rest of these. I'm not sure why they did that, but they did. So this is how you would install this kit on this Mercedes light had you needed to replace any of these top 3. But on this one, I only needed to replace the bottom tab, and as you saw, that was a really simple job. So anyway, I hope this helps you. Thank you for watching.